Welcome to Fodget and Bucket. Today we're introducing the Buffalo Machines B600 mini excavator. It's a compact micro digger that's perfect for small to medium sized jobs. Whether you're a DIYer like us or you do this stuff for a living, this versatile pocket Chinese digger can be a big help. Let's take a quick look. At just 562 kilograms, the B600 is easy to move between sites, and despite the narrow tracks it feels stable. I have relatives already eyeing this up and wanting to borrow it, and knowing it fits in the back of a Transit makes the possibility of sharing the thing much easier. With the B600 we're able to tackle multiple jobs, avoiding the stress of rental deadlines, making us do one job at a time, and giving me the flexibility to adapt as a project evolves. I would recommend adding a grading bucket to your order if you go to buy one. It makes landscaping work a lot easier. However, the bucket changing process niggles me a bit. You'll need a pair of pliers to remove the securing pins. It's straightforward but requires a bit of patience. Not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind. Once the grading bucket is attached, you can see how easy it is for the B600 to handle landscaping tasks. We've been using this to shape some land, levelling it out and creating a small incline to help with drainage. This was a job we started with a digger we hired for a week, but we ran out of time. When I had to go back to the day job, work hadn't finished, but having a digger like this on site means I'm never racing against the clock, and I can spend the odd evening or afternoon cracking on. I can take my time, make mistakes, fix them and learn to get the job done right, and even handle those unexpected tasks which always seem to pop up, such as finishing offloading 20 tonnes of MOT without breaking my back. As well as the grading bucket, I bought a thumb attachment. Adding the thumb attachment to the B600 is much easier than changing the bucket thanks to the hand-pulled split pins. This attachment transforms the B600 from a simple digger to a more multifunctional tool, capable of taking on a wider range of tasks. Definitely worth getting. So there you go, the Buffalo Machines B600 mini excavator. Compact, powerful and incredibly versatile. Whether you're digging trenches and pits, landscaping, clearing and levelling land, or tackling unexpected tasks that suddenly occur to you on a Sunday afternoon, the B600 has you covered. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next job.